Okay, so the first shirt I'm going to try it on is this one. It's got like a little bit of a stain down here, but tie-dye will cover that up soon. Anyway, so what you're going to want to do is find a shirt that's kind of stretchy and tight-fitting, and then that's a good way to do this tutorial. I don't know how it would work if you used a bigger shirt, but anyways, you're going to want to use a tight-fitting shirt like this, and then let's start the cutting process.
Then you're gonna wanna measure your shirt for how high you want your crop top to be. Mine goes just a bit above my belly button. Now you're ready to make the cut. You can spilt right down the middle or use this picture, for example, to cut from the top. Now make the lines down the piece you cut. Make sure you leave enough fabric for holes for your straps. Now that you cut your lines, cut one end of each line.
Okay, once you split them in half, you're going to want to stretch them out. Not too much so that they rip, but just so they look like string. Because that's basically what we're making them into, is string. I'm running out of battery, so I'm probably going to have to finish them this tomorrow. But mine's probably going to come out a little more weird because I have these letters on them. But then you're going to want to use your sewing machine, and then you're going to want to pull them up, kind of just like this. Like a shoestring almost, and then stitch it all the way down. Okay, so for the rest of them, you're going to want to do the same thing I just said and did with the first string, and then sew those two.
They should look something like this. Once those are finished, we'll move on to the inside of the shirt to make holes for the straps.
I'm going to use just one glove because, well, you don't really need the gloves to add dyes, so let's stitch those for now. Let's get started on the dye. Adding the color. Ew! I just ate tie-dye. Did not taste good. That was really bad. I'm not gonna swirl it or anything. I'm just going to pour it on there and let it do its magic itself. Because even when I do attempt to do the swirling techniques and stuff like that, it never works for me. So we're just gonna do it like this. And hope for the best, I guess. Okay. Add a little more blue. I think I showed her enough love with the sprinkling. Now we're gonna add the ice. Time for ice.